Hi and welcome to our video about the Return Material Authorization process, or RMA for short. In this video, we will explain what RMA is, why it's important, and how it works. Let's start with the basics. RMA is a process that allows customers to return products to a manufacturer or vendor for repair, replacement, or refund. The RMA process typically involves obtaining an RMA number, which serves as a unique identifier for the returned product and helps the manufacturer or vendor track its status. So, why is RMA important? Well, for one thing, it helps ensure customer satisfaction. If a product is defective or doesn't meet the customer's expectations, the RMA process allows them to get a resolution, whether that's a repair, replacement, or refund. Typically, the process is initialized by a customer and communicated to a supplier through the RMA form. This document explains the reason for the request and provides detailed information on who the customer is and what part is affected. After providing the request, a customer and supplier must agree on a solution and decision of affected parts disposition and further actions. If the product is eligible, they will issue an RMA number, which serves as a unique identifier for the returned product. Then, a return authorization is given accordingly. After that, the customer will receive instructions on how to pack and ship the product back. The RMA number should be clearly marked on the outside of the package, along with any other required information, such as the customer's contact information and the reason for the return. The customer will need to pack the product securely and ship it back to the vendor or the manufacturer, using a shipping method that provides tracking and insurance. Once the manufacturer or vendor receives the returned product, they will inspect it to determine the cause of the problem. Based on the inspection results, the manufacturer or vendor will determine the appropriate resolution for the returned product. Once the resolution has been determined, the provider will communicate it to the customer, along with any other relevant information. It means that the product can be repaired and returned to the customer, replaced, or refunded. Throughout the RMA process, the customer should be able to track the status of their return, either through a tracking number or by contacting the provider directly. Once the product has been repaired, replaced, or refunded, and the customer is satisfied with the resolution, the RMA process is complete. That's it. Thank you for watching. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com and do not forget to subscribe.